Hey, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you 5 sweet tricks to using shapes and moving them and duplicating them and everything else you can think of. So first of all, I just got the ellipse tool up here. I'm going to hold shift. See, step 1, you can't make a perfect circle unless you hold shift, or you can click out here and you can type in the same height and width. So that's 1. You have perfect circle. You can go through and you can also get a rectangle. Same thing. See that? You don't want that. If you hold shift, now you've got the perfect square. So that's one guy. Now let's do another one. I'm going to do another square, and right now I'm dragging out square, but I don't want it there. I'm not done dragging yet, but I'm going to hold shift right now, and now look, I'm moving it around. Now I let go of shift and I'm dragging again. Hold shift, move over here, let go, drag. So you can kind of reposition while you're making shapes. That's a neat one. Probably owe me a like for that one. That took 30 years for me to find. So, sorry. It's funny though. Some of these things are just, they're there the whole time, but you never see it. So let's duplicate a transformation. This is another one. I'm going to draw a box. And now I'm going to move this. Well, I'm going to draw 2. So if you hold Option, I'm holding Option and Shift right now. It copies it and it keeps it in a straight line. If you hold Option, it just copies it. So I'm going to hold Option Shift and do that. So now I have this. So I'm going to move this down. Now I want this to do the same thing. So I just select it, just hit Cmd. It just duplicates the movement, right? So I move this up, and I want this to do the same thing. So Command-D. So pretty cool, right? I mean, it's awesome. You can do that, and then you hit Command-D, right? So that's repeat transformations. Now let's get this guy, and you know how we have the round corners here. When you click on it, you can round the corners, right? So this is a corner rounding tutorial real quick. Now I'm going to grab the direct selection and I'm going to grab this corner. Now I only have 1, see that? So it depends what corner you grab. I can just do a little bit. I can put them back if I don't want them. So you can grab the corner, or I can grab both of these bottom ones. Let's say that, and then just do those 2. So that's corner radius, pretty rad. And then let's go with the polygon or star or the flare, but let's just use polygon because it's easier to look at, to be honest with you. So you do your polygon, you have X amount of sides. You can click out here and you can add the amount of sides, or this is a fun way. You can start drawing your polygon and just, as you're still holding, just push the down and up arrows and go all the way to a triangle, square. See that? So I'm doing this live, just pushing up and down arrows while I'm doing. Now I can hold space and move it too, remember? And then let go of space. Now we're back to in the locked position. So that's awesome. And yeah, I mean, that's it for these. But these are just the kind of stuff that if no one points it out, you're never going to find it. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.